So, a quick channel update. Lots of things going on. Lots of things to go on. The Schumacher Nitro car is as is. I've got an exhaust deflector on there, but that'll be trimmed. I'm still waiting for the back plate there and some nuts and bolts, a few bits and pieces, nothing much. What else? I've got the Acme Nitro. Now that's behind the camera. Body shell's on, waiting for some bits and pieces to mount the body shell. It's on but not on perfectly. I did find this in the loft, forgot I had it. MP6 chassis. It's really good condition. It's so smooth. God knows what I don't even remember putting it in there. So as in what's happening with that, don't know, nothing yet. Yeah, I've got one of those. I'm not going to do a box opening. It hasn't even been opened yet. The seals are still sealed. YouTube's absolutely awash of these. Part of the disadvantages of YouTube, I suppose. But I've got one of these. I'm going to have to go onto a free camera in a minute to show some other stuff. But that will be built, but not anytime soon. Just onto the free cam. Got Buggy Champ. That will be built soon. Got the BBX in there. You might be able to see it. Tamiya BBX. There's also obviously the other Kyosho limited, but it's not the limited edition kit. But that'll be next. Well, that's not going to be next. That'll be soon. I've also got a Kyosho Beetle for Christmas. Plus, I've got a lot of hop-ups for that coming. What else? What else? I can show you the hop-ups. You might not be able to make out, but servo is there. Yeah, racing shocks, receiver, ball diff is for the Kyosho Beetle. The brushless system combo, which is here. I found a couple of boxes which I might sell. I don't know if anyone wants these. I've got the cars, but the Fortec box and the HPI. They're empty boxes. Don't know what to do with them yet. They'll probably go on eBay if I'm honest. Got that for Relario. It's a new 8-channel transmitter with gyro receiver. That'll have to be tested. There is the original HPI hand controller. That's for the HPI Nitro. That's not in here. That's upstairs. There's a few more bits and pieces to do in the shed. No point boring you with that. That's the new camera. The racking there, which I'll put in to keep the cars off. That's a really old Nitro. I think that's a probe. But the chassis isn't the original chassis, but we can sort that out. Down there, I did show this on the channel ages ago. Titan Twin. That's as good as new. Not been started. Surprise, surprise. Don't know when I'll get that out. So obviously, if you've seen the channel before, you'll see all these kits I've got here, which have got all the hop-ups in. But haven't been built. They will be built, but heaven knows where I'm going to put it all. I'm looking forward to building that one, I have to say, and that one. A little bit of a close-up of the Schumacher. Yeah, that's just on there to stop it pissing oil out inside. I need to trim that. It's going to go on a body shell, which is going to keep it like that, away from the wheel. Yeah, so you can see that is broken. I've got that on order. That should be here soon, actually. I've got to glue the tyres on a bit more because they're not. It didn't take very well to that. They're a bit crusty. You can hear it, can't you? I don't know. It might be alright. Tuning this, I did find out that it's probably too rich. So there'll be another video of that one soon. Update. Got the return spring on this time. needs a receiver and the steering sorted out, so that'll be another thing to do. That's about it really. Just thought I'd give you an update. So that's the update for now. There'll be another video soon, mainly for this Schumacher that's coming out on the channel, and as I get the kit, I've got loads of stuff on order from abroad, updates for the Buggy Champ and the Kyosho Beetle. There's loads more stuff coming, so why not? I'm just going to build and hop up basically. Something else, not much else. There's going to be a video soon of the 112 Carpet Racer, because I'm booked into a meeting in January. The BRCA down at Eastbourne for the National, for the first one of 2024, and probably the only one I'll do. I hope you can hear me because we've got the heater going and you're sat on the heater for a minute. I think that's about it for now. Anyway, this is my Christmas hat. Happy Christmas, Happy New Year, and the videos will follow after the holiday season.